doing? What are you doing?
We have to be handcuffed together for the whole day.
What? Yo, this shit is tight. Hold on, get it. Oh my god.
Does it hurt?
Be for real?
Yeah.
Like dead ass?
Yeah, dead ass.
Why are you always trying to do something while I'm driving? I swear it's always while I'm driving.
I'm sorry, I'm not trying to get in that accident.
What's going on, Mert fam?
Welcome back to our channel, guys.
If you are new here, make sure you hit that.
He said hit it.
What's going on, Mert fam?
Welcome back to our channel, guys.
If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button, turn on your post notifications, and join the family.
You know we have to get out of the car. He's like, take off your shoes.
Hell no, you're not about. Yeah, you ain't about to step on my seat.
I have to sit up here though.
You ain't about to step on my seat.
I said.
But as you guys can tell, we are handcuffed for 24 hours. We're about to go in the gym. We're about to work out. Hang on one second. We gotta try and get out this car. Hold on, just hold on. Just hold my hand. Just hold my hand.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, wait. Put your hand up here.
What? Oh my god.
I'm sorry.
Yo, what?
Now we get to hold hands all day. I did this so he wouldn't stop holding my hand. Oh, my shoe's untied. Oh, you tied for me?
I'll get.
Our gym plays music, so what we're gonna do, we're just gonna roll these clips with our music and show you guys our struggle of this workout. Oh my gosh! Ryan!
What a great workout that was. Dang, it's raining. It stays raining here.
Oh, it's so cold.
Oh wait, where's the car? I think it might be this way.
No, it's over here.
Oh, wait, it's over here? Oh yeah, we need to go this way. Nah, I don't see it. Hold up, I think it's this way. I think it's this way. No, I think it's back this way. Hold up.
Ow!
Don't be put, you might just want to take your shoes off, baby. Baby, you might just want to take your shoes off.
No, wait. Come.
Oh shit, I get in. Well, don't touch. Don't. Oh, that was smooth. That was smooth. Okay, guys. So just to make it interesting each time, everywhere we go, we're gonna get out of the car. So we're about to go to Starbucks.
Oh my. Oh.
I think eating should be pretty easy. I just eat all my food while you follow me first, and then I'll follow you. I heard that too. Okay, so now that our workout and breakfast is out of the way, we gotta get ready for the day. I don't know how this is gonna work.
It's gonna be hard.
But we're gonna head back to the house and then get ready with us. How we gonna do this, baby?
We're just gonna snap and our clothes are gonna come off.
Really?
Yeah.
All right, ready?
1, 2.
Okay. It's just easier if we just shower together. One at a time takes too long.
Yeah.
So we just shower together.
Yeah.
Hey, but I kind of like this photo, bro. This challenge is a flex. But are we in here naked? I think not.
So we're gonna snap and then we're gonna change.
Yeah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Okay, so what do you have to do?
So I have to do my face stuff and put my makeup on.
And I gotta sit here for that. Oh my goodness. Okay.
He hates this on a regular day, so he's really gonna hate it. Now we're gonna go to the mall and get
shop
some shop
and get food.
Because we're hungry.
You know, breakfast was only like an hour ago, but
yeah.
We hungry again.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Get out of here! What are you doing? Oh, why don't you go sit down and grab a table? What is you doing? Oh, got you on that one. Oh, got you on that one.
You're gonna smell my sauce. Let me see your finger. I gotta walk all the way over here just for him to get a napkin.
You're the one that want to put the ranch wrapper up.
Oh my. Ryan! You wanna go to Victoria's Secret? Yeah, okay, we're going. Come on. Come on.
What you mean?
Come on, we're going. This took like a really wrong turn really fast, but we were just in the mall and we were walking to one of the stores that were kind of in the back of the mall, kind of. And this guy just started following us, and I don't know if like he knew us or he was following us the whole time, but he came like right up behind us, and yeah. I like ran into the store. And guys, keep in mind we are handcuffed together, yeah. So if anything pop off, you know, I can't do nothing. I gotta rip the handcuffs off or something. I'm just saying, I know, like, you don't know. But he was like, then he followed us in the store, and we like ran up to like the front counter and just like stood there. But he was sitting outside of the store that we were in. But, so we are still in the mall. We're gonna try and get out of here without anybody seeing us. Yeah. But my baby feels a little sketchy, yeah. But it's okay. Hopefully we can I just wanna get out of here. Yeah. Alright, let's go. We made it to the car. Thank God. But as we were walking out, we saw him but like we went upstairs, but we could see him from downstairs talking to a woman, and we don't know like what he was like trying to say, but it looked like he was waiting around the same area that we were, because I don't know, it looked like maybe he was like waiting for us, or like it just like seemed like a really sketchy situation. So we're safe, but he could have been following us the whole time, and we just didn't realize until now. But normally we're really aware of our surroundings. Like I know I get really paranoid about things like that. I don't know. That was just crazy. I don't know if like they saw us like filming.
We ran upstairs
Yeah.
because we knew he was downstairs to go around him, and we actually saw him from the top.
Yeah.
And we
And
kind
it
of
looked
snuck
like
around
he
the
was
stores.
like waiting.
I felt like we were in a movie, low key.
know.
Hey guys, we did all this handcuffed. So
I know.
like this video for us, cause
I
shit,
think
that was a lot.
In one of the
I
stores.
was dragging Montana around store to store. Okay, get down, get down.
I know. In one of the stores, like the people thought, it almost looked like they thought we were doing something sketchy, but really we were just like waiting in there and like just sitting in there because we were too scared to go out of the store.
Just long story short, a little life lesson, just know your surroundings.
Yeah.
Whenever you go anywhere, know your surroundings.
You have to.
Can I just explain the weather? Let's show them.
No.
Oh, what are you doing? You come with me.
Ow, no.
Come on.
No,
Yeah.
no.
Yeah.
Ow.
Come on.
Ow.
Guys.
No, hurry up.
Guys, look at this. Hey, come on.
No.
Guys. Okay, let's go back inside.
Sam.
Oh, Bushy, he wanna get in it. Look at him
Hi,
stretch.
Hi, Bush. There's some vitamins. You are so cute. Sam. Sammy?
Say hi.
Yeah. Brucey does not like when Sammy gets attention. No, you don't.
Sammy, come here. Come here, Sammy. Look. Sammy. He's playing. But we're gonna go ahead and close out today's video right there.
Ow.
But we're gonna go ahead and close out today's video right there. We hope you guys enjoyed us being handcuffed for, what is it, 10 hours? 12 hours?
Okay, honey, today's post notification shout out goes to all of you honeys.
Ooh. That one snuck in. But if you guys want a shout out at the end of our videos, all you gotta do is subscribe to this channel. Subscribe if you are new here. Hit that bell button and follow our IGs down in the description. But if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you guys like this video. Comment down below bringing challenges back. Any challenges you guys want to see, comment them down below. Share to everybody.
And make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for new videos every other day.
Every other day. Every other day.
Okay.
And we will catch you guys next video. Work out. Peace.